Hello, my dear PUBG lover. Today we're going to know how to get Penguin title step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. First, you should buy token from the event in the lobby. Then you have to find the orange color small mailbox in the map. Then you must collect it before other does. After you got the letter, remember. Now everyone can see you in the map until you deliver the letter to the final mailbox, which you can find it with the red color box in the map. After you deliver the letter to the final mailbox, you must survive and get the chicken dinner, and that's how you get the Penguin title. Easy, right? Let's get that title.
Is this island called Erangel? Where else have you guys been? Weaklings, not a single fighter among you.
Voila, there you go. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please show some love in this unloved world. See you on next one.